Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best water dispensers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Water Dispensers. Even if most Americans drink tap water, there is evidence pointing out that the water from all 50 states contains distressing levels of chromium-6. That's not all though. Tap water may also contain other harmful contaminants such as lead, arsenic, and mercury. What does this mean, though? It means that we should be more mindful regarding the water we drink. This is where the best water cooler comes in. Number 5. UXL Metal Kitchen Bathroom Sink Single-Handle Tap Sprayer. Easy to handle and clean, basin faucet water tap. It is a good replacement for the broken faucet of your kitchen or bathroom basin. Main features: color silver tone, material metal. Product name, faucet. Net weight, 191 grams. Number 4. UXL 2 Pieces Replacement Plastic Push Handle White Red Blue. Ideal replacement for your old or damaged. Please make sure that it has been tightly screwed and been connected well with the pipe before using. Main features: material plastic thread dia. Mouth hole dia 8.5 mm. Main color blue red white. Number 3. Merriway BH02595 White Rubber Kitchen Splash Preventer. Merriway is a brand of Bulk Hardware Limited, a family-owned company established more than 45 years ago and based in the southwest of England. Main features: kitchen plumbing accessory, heating and plumbing accessories. Tap Swirl Small Blue. Number 2. Clover D14A Hot and Cold Bottleless Water Dispenser. You don't have to worry wasting time and money on plastic water bottles for your water cooler. It provides more cold water per hour than coolers using plastic water bottles. Main features: stainless steel tanks, temperature adjustment, easy cleanup. Number 1. 3M Aqua Pure Whole House Sanitary Quick Change Replacement Water Filter. This activated carbon filter reduces particulate down to 15 microns nominal for all incoming water. Main features: up to 10 gallons per minute flow rate. AP910R activated carbon filters. Sanitary cartridge design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.